Hi everyone, I'm Mindy and welcome to our introduction and inspiration video for the Hero Arts May 2024 My Monthly Hero Classic and Premium Kit. In the video today, I will walk you through the contents of each kit and share inspiration from the creative team. We are 50 years old this month, so we are pulling out all of the stops for a grand celebration. Within this kit this month, you will find fun new designs as well as tried and true favorites. We are giving you even more to say a special thank you for supporting us all of these years and for helping make our kit program so successful. Included in the classic kit this month is a 4x6 floral cake clear stamp, 11 coordinating dies, 6 sheets of watercolor paper, a watercolor palette, contour ink pad, watercolor swatch cards, a flat water flow brush, plus a special birthday gift. The premium kit includes everything from the classic plus balloon background cling stamp, champagne sequins, enamel dots, and an additional birthday bonus item. But wait! While I'll be sharing these birthday bonuses with you, Hero Arts has included one more additional item in the kit that I will save as a special surprise for you. We will start by taking a look at the inspiration card included in the kit. This is always a great reference to jumpstart your creativity and give you an idea of how the components of the kit work together. On the flip side, we have a breakdown of both the classic and premium kit. Now let's check out the contents of the kit, starting with the 6 sheets of watercolor paper trimmed to 5.5 by 8.5. This is an absolutely fantastic paper for watercoloring. Next, we have the contour ink pad, which you can use for a no-line coloring look instead of sharp black lines. Then we have a watercolor palette, a flat water flow brush, and a watercolor swatch card. We'll take a look at these individually in just a moment. This is the Floral Cake 4x6 stamp set included in the classic kit. You have a full cake decorated beautifully with florals, a slice of cake, a cake stand, and some candles. You can cut out these candles using the coordinating die and customize your cake with the number of candles needed. The whimsical scripty sentiments include "Let's celebrate," "Congratulations," "Happy birthday," and "Wishing you the best." Your special bonus item in the kit is the 3x4 message clear stamp set with coordinating dies and a Yay Fancy die. You can mix and match your sentiments like birthday wishes, happy birthday, make a wish, it's your birthday, and hip hip hooray. Plus, you have these fun little confetti pieces to embellish your design. The coordinating die cuts out the larger sentiments hooray, birthday, and wishes, allowing you to pop them up for dimension. Then we have the Yay Fancy die, which has the letters and a shadow layer. Now we'll take a closer look at the watercolor swatch card and water flow brush. These swatch cards are reactive to water, so you'll take your water flow brush, twist off the top, and add water to the barrel. To get the water flowing, just squeeze the barrel of the brush until you see water beads start to form and come out. Then pick up some of the color from the swatch card and apply it to your watercolor paper. You can apply it to dry paper or wet your cardstock first. To switch between colors, squeeze the barrel of the brush again and wipe your brush onto some cardstock until it runs clear. Then pick up another color. You can make beautiful transitions of color with this technique. Next, we are going to take a closer look at the premium kit, which includes everything that I just showed you, plus these additional items. First, we have a tried and true favorite, which is the balloon background stamp. This has a variety of shapes of balloons to fill up your entire card front. Then we have the champagne sequins. This contains a mix of white, off-white, clear, and gold sequins. great for creating shaker cards or embellishing your card front. And finally, we have the enamel dots in these bright, festive colors. These already have adhesive on the back, so all you need to do is pick them up off the carrier sheet and apply them to your project. Your special bonus item are the Congrats Fancy Die and Yay Clear Stamp and Die. Do you have a birthday party coming up? Or maybe some graduation parties in the near future? These are perfect for the front of your card for the recipient and maybe adding to the gift tags. Now, there is one more special bonus item that we are including, and I am saving that as a special little surprise for you, so enjoy. Now we'll take a look at some inspiration from the creative team featuring both the classic and premium kit option. You are going to see how this kit plays well not only in card making, but also your mixed media projects and gift tags. We also have a blog hop celebrating the release, packed with even more inspiration from the creative team and special guests. You can find that inspiration and pick up your kit today over at heroarts.com. These kits are limited in quantity, so once they sell out, they are gone and not restocked. Become a subscriber today to guarantee a kit, receive special discounts, and free shipping on your kit. Plus, sign up for our Hero Arts Rewards program to earn even more discounts and special offers. Thank you so much for spending time with us today.